So once you have opened the box, these will be the parts that you will receive. There will be two arms. This will be the base. This is the VESA plate. There will be two parts which will become the clamp of the monitor stands, and this will be the screw sets. So now we will be fixing the clamp part to the base. So you have to remove this plastic part. This is the part. It will be attached to the base of the. So this is how it will be attached, and it will be attached using these two screws. And then you have to tighten with the Allen key. So the base has been prepared. Now you have to put this particular clamp part here. So you can put it, first you have to loosen this. Once it has been loosened, you can either put this in the below two holes if your tabletop is very thick, or in the above two holes. Generally, people put it in the above two holes only because it is more than enough. So put it in the above two holes, and using these two screws, you have to tighten this part. So the screws will be put from behind. And then again tighten it with the Allen key. So tighten this as much as possible. Once that is done, your clamp is ready. So this is how the clamp will look. And once you need to fix it to the tabletop, then again you have to tighten this particular screw. So we'll move on to the next part now. So now we will fix the clamp. So you have to clamp on to the corner of the table, and then you have to tighten this particular screw to the maximum so that the clamp will be fitted. And as you can see, we have fixed it on the above two holes only, as the tabletop is not very thick. So now we are tightening it. So this is how the clamp will be fixed. So now you have to put the white part again on the top of the arm. So there is a screw out here in the lower part of the arm. So first you have to loosen it a little bit. Once you have loosened it, it will go inside properly, and then again tighten it with the help of the Allen key. Tighten it as much as possible. Once this is tightened, so the lower part has been attached. Now we will fix the upper part of the monitor arm. So it will get fixed. And then tighten this part also a little bit. So the arm has been installed. So the VESA plate will fix in between, and there is a one big screw which will pass through these all holes, and then tighten it with the help of the Allen key. Try to tighten this as much as possible. So if you want a better way to tighten it, rotate it down and then tighten it properly. So make sure it is completely tightened. So now we can attach the monitor to the monitor arm using these 4 screws. So you have to pass the screws from here ultimately into the VESA holes which are there in the monitor, and the monitor arm can be fixed. So first fit the above 2 screws behind the monitor, and then hang it on the top of the monitor arm. So this way it gets locked in. Then put the remaining 2 screws as well. You can see the screw holes will match. So this is 100 by 100 mm. And if the VESA holes are smaller, then you can use the 75 by 75 mm as well. Now you can see the monitor arm is falling down because the tilt and everything has been made completely loose. Now we will show you how to adjust the tilt and how to adjust the casping of the monitor arm. So if the monitor is heavy, it will naturally first fall down because of the gas spring being loose, and if it is very light, it will automatically stay up. So now since the monitor arm is falling down, we will increase the tension of the arm by rotating towards the plus sign. So keep it horizontal and rotate it in the direction of plus sign. Rotate it till that time when the monitor will stay at that particular position. So now you can see the monitor arm is staying at that position. Now wherever you keep it, the monitor arm will stay there. Now if you want to keep it down, it will stay there. You want to further take it down, it will stay there. So you have to adjust the gas spring tension based on the weight of the monitor arm. In this case, since it was going down, rotate it towards plus. If it constantly stays up, loosen the gas spring and rotate it towards minus. So now since another example where we have increased the tension of the arm. If you see, even if you keep it down, the monitor arm will go up, because the gas spring tension is very high. So now you have to reduce the tension. So first hold it to an horizontal position and adjust the gas spring towards minus. So reduce the gas spring till the monitor arm stays at this particular position. Now the monitor is staying at this particular position, so the gas spring has been adjusted. Now you can keep it anywhere you want. Even if you keep it down, it won't go up. Now, since the monitor is tilting, we will adjust the tilt by tightening the screw here. So keep it into the horizontal position and tighten the gas spring here. So tighten the tilt here. Tighten it to an extent when the monitor stays at that position. So now you have adjusted the tilt as well and the gas spring as well. So you have complete flexibility. Move it down. And wherever you want to keep your arm, you can keep it, and you can do complete rotations as well of the arm. So this is how the installation gets completed. You can also rotate it if you want. It will stay at that position.